Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Scott Rulin, and I have been researching business opportunities for over 32 years. Can I tell you there is nothing like the internet? Today we are reviewing Entre Institute. In fact, I have had the opportunity to meet its founder Jeff Lerner. Please listen to this until the end. Please like, comment, subscribe, and/or share. Also hit the bell icon to receive additional videos as they appear. Now Entre Institute. Entre Institute Review, 2021. The Truth About Jeff Lerner, Exposed. Spread the love. Welcome to my Entre Institute review. I noticed there is a lot of misinformation out there about Entre Institute and Jeff Lerner, so I decided to set the record straight. Most of the reviews I see are from people from wealthy affiliate who claim to do unbiased reviews, but honestly they call everything pretty much a scam. They don't look into the company legally or anything like that. So what makes my reviews different? I actually call companies or programs as they are. Do I offer something like wealthy affiliate? No, and that's the biggest issue with those kind of affiliates. Instead of helping people in their own business, they do the bait and switch to say, hey, check out my business opportunity because it's way better. The truth of the matter is this. There is no such thing as the perfect business opportunity, they will all have their pros and cons. So what I generally offer is to help people with one or two things. Start an online business from scratch with one-on-one mentoring, help people with their existing business, online business, MLM, brick and mortar, etc. This way there isn't a conflict of interest. Having that said, yes, there are a lot of scams out there, but there are a lot of legit business opportunities out there as well. This is what makes my reviews different. Now I got you in the right frame of mind. Just keep your mind open and pay close attention. Entre Institute Review in a nutshell. Entire Institute helps people build digital real estate assets that will pay you over the long run. A quick example of that is this blog you are reading. This is a digital real estate asset that has paid very well. And it cost next to nothing to start. You probably never thought about it like that before, right? Other assets are Facebook pages, YouTube channels, Instagram, etc. The key is to monetize all of these that make you money. The two that stick out the most is blogs and YouTube. Because they use search traffic, once you post a blog post or video for a topic, make money online, and you get it to rank on the first page of Google or YouTube, that one post or video will pay you years to come. Now imagine you monetize this the right way where you make affiliate sales. They also teach paid traffic methods to build your business faster. Let's find out who Jeff Lerner really is inside of this Entre Institute review. Jeff Lerner Review. Who is he? Jeff Lerner. Jeff Lerner is the brainchild and CEO of Entre Institute. Not only that, he has built multiple 6- and 7-figure businesses in the past that range from online marketing to agencies that help other businesses grow. He does come from humble beginnings like most entrepreneurs who are self-made. He had struggled as a musician for years and even started a restaurant which went bust. In fact, he was in $400,000 in debt and was at the lowest point in his life. Everything changed in 2008 where he decided to build his own digital business online, and after 9 months of struggling he had his first breakthrough. Since 2008, he has made well over $50 million in sales. That's not bad for someone who started off with zero. I also want you to keep another thing in mind. Whatever negative reviews you see about Jeff Lerner are from people who have something to promote. They bash anyone or any company to get their way. I did something different. I decided to actually got to know Jeff Lerner early 2020. Unlike these wealthy affiliate reviewers, I actually know him personally now. I have known him for almost a year. This is what I can say. He is the real deal. I have been on calls with him, even with his clients, and he actually does care. He does want people to become the best version of themselves. When I look in his Facebook groups for Entre Nation and Entre Nation Elite, it is a community that is truly helping each other. It's one tribe in there. Now there is always going to be the odd person who is negative. I guess that's just human nature, but 99% of it is good. Want to get started with Entire? Click the banner below, 30-day money-back guarantee. Entre Institute, Entre Blueprint price, $39 one time. This is the course that starts it all and is a 6-step video training that helps you at the personal, professional and physical level. To become the best version of yourself you must focus on all three. Step 1. Jeff Lerner will walk you through the 3 P's of an awesome life, and you will learn how to build the 4 pillars to success. This will help you live a financially free and stress-free life. The 3 P's of an awesome life are: personal, professional, physical. Step 2. In Step 2, you will learn the 3 legs of a successful action to achieving everything you desire. You will go through a very detailed action plan on how all of this works, and will get into deeper concepts like how it works in society, having knowledge in general and belief matters. Step 3. In Step 3, you will go through 3 phases of building your legacy. You will learn how to leverage wealth and growth. Plus, one thing I noticed, this is exactly what happened to me in the last 7 years, where I went from being a car mechanic to building multiple 6- and 7-figure businesses of my own. My children are set because end of the day it's all about generational wealth, not just for me. Step 4. Step 4 will get into how to build an affiliate marketing business, because it's actually the simplest and most effective one to start as a new person. Plus, the startup costs are way lower than anything else out there. I remember I wanted to open a coffee shop here, and would have costed me $250,000 to get started, not including operational costs and payroll for employees. Affiliate marketing is definitely a game changer. Plus, once you master this, you can pretty much get into any other business and crush it. Affiliate marketing is when we sell other people's products that spent a ton of time, effort and money. When it sells online through an affiliate link that is coded to you, it generates a commission. Commissions here can range from 30% to 80%. Plus, you never have to worry about customer service. That's the person who created that product or service's job. Step 5. This is where Jeff Lerner compares e-commerce vs brick-and-mortar business. You will learn why it's much easier and cost-effective to start an online business compared to a physical one. Plus, look at the biggest e-commerce sites in the world like Amazon, they have no storefront. Brick-and-mortar stores like Walmart have invested a ton of money into online shopping because it's the future. Step 6. In his last model, you will learn how to build an online business. You will get one-on-one consulting from an advisor to set you up the right way. Your advisor will go through a game plan with you depending on what you are most passionate about. From there, you have an option to go the affiliate marketing route, having your own agency route, or having your own product, service route. Or you can do all 3 if you want. You can click here to buy here. Next, we are going to check out the Entre Nation Elite membership inside of this detailed Entre Institute review. Entre Nation Elite price, $175 one time, yearly or $67 per month. This is for people who want extra help with weekly calls, webinars to help grow their business. You will get access to a private Facebook group called Entre National Elite, where these weekly trainings will take place. This is 100% optional. Want to get started with Entire? Click the banner below. 30-day money-back guarantee. Millionaire Productivity Secrets, Entre Institute, Millionaire Productivity Secrets price, $67 one time. This course is designed to make you a productivity master with proper planning everything out, like dreamscaping your perfect future life, goal setting for super productivity, creating your success plan, optimizing everything like your schedule, environment, external brain, calendar, to-do list, and much, much more. Overall, this course has 19 modules. Personally, this was a game changer for me because I really had issues with organization. After implementing this course, my revenue went up. Affiliate Millionaire Accelerator price, one time $1,997. Originally, Entre Institute had a course called Max Affiliate course that needed to be revamped. So in January 2020, they brought me on board to help them with their affiliate marketing course. They wanted someone actually in the trench to teach this, and not just some theory on what people think works. What I personally see in the marketplace is people that sell courses but don't actually do what they say. They make all their money through their courses. You probably have seen this many times. When they brought me on board, I actually taught what I personally do in my business. I have several different niches in the affiliate marketing space that are doing amazing. In fact, combined it's well over 7 figures a year. So they brought me on board, and I go through what it actually takes. From the basics on terminology of affiliate marketing to actually building your sales funnel step by step, to selecting your offers, to building out your blogs and YouTube channels. Step by step, over the shoulder. Not only that, I go through email marketing, building your list, emails that convert, sales funnels that convert, selecting the right niche. It is A to Z. As it stands, there are 48 modules that range from 5 minutes to 35 minutes. Plus, unlike any other affiliate marketing course, I am adding to it when I find something new that works. So it will never go outdated. Agency Millionaire Accelerator. Agency Millionaire Accelerator one-time, $1,997. Agency Millionaire Accelerator is taught by Brian Magnosi, who has an actual 7-figure per year agency. Agency is pretty much your online advertising where you help other businesses with online ads. These businesses will pay you anywhere between $500 to $2,500 per month just to run their ads accounts. You will learn all the necessary skill sets to do this properly A to Z. This course is jam-packed with 60+ video modules done by someone actually doing this now. Again, Jeff Lerner is all about selecting the right people to teach that are in the trenches and not some person selling another course. Some of the topics covered: benefits of having your own agency, selecting your niche, how much to charge. Plus, tools of the trade, setting right expectations, prospecting and lead generation, sales, SEO and fulfillment, Facebook ads, FB lead ad templates, outsourcing and much more. Remember, these topics have anywhere between 2 to 15 videos each. Again, Brian is always updating this course so it's new and fresh, and more importantly what is working now. Digital Course Millionaire Accelerator. Course Millionaire Accelerator cost $1,997 one time. Another amazing course created by Brian Magnosi, who designed it from the ground up to help take your passion, skill and gift and bring it to the world in the most efficient and profitable way. Overall, this course has 30+ modules that walk you through product viability and market research. This alone has 11 modules alone. Tech behind the digital course, launching, marketing and fulfillment and much more. You probably have seen Facebook or even YouTube ads on people selling courses and making a killing. This is what is taught in this course step by step with nothing left behind. Want to get started with Entre? Click the banner below, 30-day money-back guarantee. Entre Institute Digital Bundle. Now let's say you want all 3 of these courses because you want the proper knowledge to maximize your online money-making efforts. You can get a discount by selecting Digital Bundle. You can get all 3 courses for the cost of $3,997 one time, and has more value than any university class when it comes to business. Universities charge $10,000 plus sometimes per year. That isn't even 25% of what you learn here. I am just showing you how much value you are getting. Entre Coaching. Entre Coaching. Let's say you want that extra mentorship with those 3 courses. You can get group coaching that's held once per week. This is for people that want that extra help, and this is one going. I actually had many students who are getting amazing results from this and profiting big. Entre Inner Circle. Entre Inner Circle. Want to be part of a group of people who are earning 7 to 8 figures per year. Now imagine being coached by them with Jeff Lerner himself. You can't just get this coaching, you are gone through screening because this isn't for everyone. Jeff Lerner rejects many applications here because people are not serious enough, and he doesn't want people's money if they are not going to follow through. The price here will range, but again, you can't just be part of this. It's extreme exclusive. Entre Institute Affiliate Program. They do offer an affiliate program, and guess what? It's 100% free to promote, and you get credit for every sale regardless if you purchased it or not. This isn't a MLM or business opportunity but a true education platform. You can sign up as an affiliate here. Even in Wealthy Affiliate, you have to pay to earn more, but they don't say anything about that. Alright, unlike all the other Entre Institute reviews out there, I am going to keep it real with you. Pay close attention next. Entre Institute conclusion. So does the Entre Institute scam exist? Of course it doesn't. I would never partner with anyone who doesn't have a good record. Plus, it took me many months to make the decision to help Jeff, because again I am very strict when it comes to partnering with someone. End of the day, Jeff Lerner has made an amazing community and educational platform that will help people for decades to come. Yes, this is truly long-term. Now you probably have seen some reviews from people who are in Wealthy Affiliate and say, some of the courses are too much and they are crap. How do they know they are crap when they never gone through them? They don't know what they are talking about. Think about this for a moment. Top earner in those kind of companies make low 6 figures. How can they say anything about people who are making 7 to 8 figures in their online business? That is a huge gap. Plus people like that lose all credibility if they actually haven't gone through the higher priced courses and make an informative review. Blows me mind. Anyway, don't be a victim to these affiliates from companies like Wealthy Affiliate. Most of them don't know what they are doing. You need to learn from people who are in the trenches and have been doing it successfully for many years. You can make one of two decisions. Go on YouTube and try to piece everything together yourself, spend years and years before getting your breakthrough, or get started with Entre Institute and we will fast track you. Another thing is you can join something else and find out that the person who made the course has no idea what they're doing. Or maybe join those Wealthy Affiliate stuff where it will take you a year of trying to rank on Google before getting any results. Yes, they only teach SEO there and think that's the best way. Where we teach everything from SEO to paid ads on multiple platforms plus proper sales funnel building and email marketing. I really hope you enjoyed this Entre Institute review, and I hope now you know the truth about Jeff Lerner. He is an amazing human being and mentor. That is the truth because I know him. Want to get started with Entre Institute? Click the link in the description field below. Follow me on social media below. Follow me on Facebook here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel here. Follow me on Instagram here. Follow me on Twitter here. See you at the top. Entre Institute. Scott Rulin. P.S. If you are tired of failing any business, click here and check this out to take your game to the next level.